Yeah.
Hey guys, it's JD gang.
We got our friends, Harper,
Jenna and Brett's
Brett.
up there. We're in Dollar General right now getting signs for our basketball car wash.
Hey guys. I'm so lucky to be in your vlog.
Oh, I got it.
Champion!
Oh wait, those are
We're getting some supplies
I
over
want some
here.
candy.
Some sour bites.
Something about you dangerous.
We're getting some markers over here.
for our car wash.
Let's get them thick markers.
Oh yeah, let's get the
Jordan,
thick
you're
one.
thick.
You want the thick marker?
Yeah, we want them thick markers. Just like this.
I'll just get these two. Okay, that's good.
We got our supplies, so now we're going to Brett's house to get
We out here.
We're not going to Brett's
Oh, never
house.
mind. We're not going to Brett's house. We're going back to the car wash. See you there.
What I'm just gonna do with my trash.
Yeah.
Alright, do what?
Are you still at the place?
Well, we're about to leave. Do you need something?
Which girl said to get a pencil box too?
A pencil box.
Oh yeah, for the money.
Put the money in.
Okay.
Reverse as fast as you can.
No. Okay. We're going back in.
We're back in here because we need a pencil box for Coach Terrell. I'm having issues.
Oh, look how cute.
Here we go. Checking out for the second time. Getting
Pencil box.
You got a pink one?
That's all they had.
We just out here going outside for a second time.
I bet we're gonna get
Car. Oh! Oh my god.
Then we're going to Sandra.
Hey, that's rude.
Oh, Sandra! Ooh!
That car or Sandra?
Sandra, definitely.
Sandra be popping.
I like stunning, I like shining, I like millions.
So we're back at the car wash. There's everyone. Harper. What's that name?
Airing my pits.
Carol with his pencil box that we got him.
He loves it. She's a little princess gift.
Right now, we don't have any customers, but you know, we're working on it.
Come out to Correct Toyota, get a car wash, and get a free hot dog.
Coach Dale, get your car wash! No! That's not what we want!
Let it go.
Car wash! Wash your Bud Light car. North Vernon beverage.
If you're a grill master like JV here, you can stick a piece of butter inside a patty, and if when you cook it, like a hamburger patty, it'll make it juicy on the outside.
That's Taylor's fun fact of the day.
My hands are clean.
I hope. It's JB here. I'm the grill master.
How's it going, Grill Master?
It's going pretty good. Grilling them dogs out here.
Hey, Brett, take me one of them dogs.
This dog, look how fine and crispy she is. Are you looking at the dog?
Hey, Bailey, good work.
At our car wash, everyone! It's a dead animal with teeth!
Like a bird.
Ew! Look at the teeth!
That is not a freaking animal.
Yes, that is a dead animal.
That is definitely
That is
a bird.
teeth!
Get your foot off of it. What is your problem here? a turtle.
Oh, it is a turtle.
It does look like a turtle.
It's a turtle.
Aw, I like turtles.
We found us a dead turtle.
Get your stop before you get freaking diseases.
It's my
You're
foot.
gonna track it through your house.
You're ratchet.
Who's Ratchet?
Her.
Pretty fresh. Thanks for watching our video today.
We're still out here washing cars, but this is the end of our video. So like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Can you dab for the vlog?
Can I what?
Dab. Just dab. Yeah.